Waves, when we talk about waves, they appear every day in many forms and many ways, and among all of them we have the EM waves. They are the electromagnetic spectrum. We say radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma rays. Radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma rays. Radio wave is used for television and radio communication. Microwaves are used for cooking and satellite communication, but beware of exposure, cause it causes internal heating. Infrared waves are used in heaters and to detect thermal emission, but it causes skin burns and damage your skin cells. Visible light is the light we see. The visible spectrum is the color we perceive. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet star. Now we review the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma rays. Radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma rays. Ultraviolet make fluorescent lamp and used on banknotes to detect forgeries. X-ray help identify broken bones and scanning internal structure of objects. Gamma rays sterilize food and medical instruments, also laser treatment of cancer. The last two are radioactive, which means it causes genetic mutation and cancer. The EM waves are so useful in our lives, and this the point of physics and to being alive, to help us in our difficult times. So we should remember the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma rays. Radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma rays. Radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma rays. Radio and microwaves, infrared and visible light, ultraviolet and X-ray. At last we have gamma